I'm Rob at the Doctor's Toy Store. I've got Betty Boop here. Hello, everybody. And this is a gas sterilizer. They're a little bit different. They're not heat. There's no steam. A gas sterilizer is a great piece to have if you want to reuse expensive plastics, if you have Vaser hand pieces, micro area hand pieces, Powerex, Vibrostat hand pieces. You want to make them last a lot longer. The heat and the steam is horrific on equipment. So everyone really should have a gas sterilizer. They're fantastic. Thing is, you're using gas. So you put the gas, the poison on the inside, then it's tubed from the outside, will go up through the ceiling or out through the wall. It opens. This happens to be a deeper chamber. Gas is good, but you gotta make sure that gas is going outside. And Betty approves of it. We sell them and buy them here at the Doctor's Toy Store. We also have your Midmark, your Ritter, your Tittenauer autoclaves. We've got liposuction and Vasers and everything else. So whether you're buying or selling, call the Doctor's Toy Store 877-DRS Toys. Thanks for watching.